Welcome back to another episode of Yes. So today me and little Miss Winnie are going to be baking a cake together. We're going to be baking a cake because little Miss Winnie is 5 months old. Woo! 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 Ooh! 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 So we're going to go to M&S, Marks and Spencer's, which is such an amazing store. It has the most beautiful things and the yummiest things. It's like top notch. So yeah, I'm gonna bring you with us and I'm gonna attempt to make a cake with icing and decorations. So if you want to see what we get up to, keep on watching. And if you don't want to get beaten up by Winnie, keep on watching. Okay, me and Winnie are ready to attack the day because she has a little snowman outfit on and she loves it. She loves it. Don't you love it? You love it. Yes, so we're going to walk into town with the sassy little pink baby, her cute little pink balls, and we're going to go and make her a cake. Got to get the ingredients first though. Yeah? Let go. Off we go. I'm walking today because I don't want to be lazy. Winnie is right next to me. I can't cope with how cute she is. Oh, going a bit off track. Oh, Winnie, what's going on? You look so cute. So the cake we're going to be doing today is my loyal cake recipe, and I base all my cakes after this recipe. So, yes. Here we are. I just love how everything in Marks and Spencer's is like aesthetically pleasing. Like all the colours, everything. Right, so we're going to need some white sugar, some large eggs. Beautiful. Some plain white flour. Gonna need some vanilla extract. Which one to get? I think I'm gonna get the M&S one. Lovely. So this cake's gonna taste banging, guys. Gonna need some baking powder. Then it says we need salt, table salt, and whole milk, which I have at home already, so I don't need to buy those. Now I need to get the ingredients for the icing, which I'm going to try and do some cute decorations with. So I'm going to need icing sugar. It says we need vanilla extract as well, but I've already got that in there. And some lemon juice, because we want it lemony. Don't we, Winnie? Lemony. Ooh. And then the last of the unsalted butter from Marks and Spencer's. Mission complete, and now we're gonna go home and bake the cake with Miss Winnie. And she can't even have a slice of that, but maybe when she's 6 months old I can make her a cake. Beautiful autumn colours in England. My god, there's a queue of traffic now. We've just got in and I'm literally sweating after that walk. I'm so unfit. What the hell? I'm gonna change to something more comfortable. Hold on. Winnie, we need to get you changed into something a bit more comfortable because that's no baking outfit. Y'all ain't ready. Y'all ain't ready for this little chunky baby. Oh, she's ready to bake some cake. She's ready to bake. Bake. Show us how you bake. Oh, 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 oh. Is that how you bake with your arms? Oh, 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 oh. How are you gonna mix the batter? My little helper is ready. Oh, she's so excited. You excited? You excited? Right, so I've got my ingredients and all my bits and bits and bobs. So firstly we're going to add the sugar. It's 200 grams of sugar and 115 grams of butter, and we have to mix those together. So let's get that started. And you want to do it until they're light and fluffy like this. And then we're going to add the 2 eggs one at a time, and we're going to mix in between each egg. I'm doing this on the first setting so that it doesn't overdo it. And now we're going to whisk the second one. Now I like my sponge to be very vanilla-y, so I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract in there as well. And my flour isn't pre-sieved, so I'm going to have to do this while I'm alternating the milk. Some milk and mix, and the consistency should look a little bit like this, like thick but smooth. Ready to pour inside a baking tray. So I've gone over the inside of this baking tray with butter so that when it comes out it doesn't stick, and then it's ready to go in the oven. Now, I've actually made 2 because I want to try and do like a 2-tiered cake. So I'm going to pop these in the oven. The oven is heated at 175 degrees Celsius, and I'm going to keep them in there for about 30 minutes and then we'll check on them. I love eating the remaining batter from the bowl. Oh my god. Little sleepy pants. So cute and comfy. This is where I keep all my baking stuff. I love baking when I've got time, and then it just kind of like swivels back in. It's really cool. Why are you being grumpy? She's been grumpy, wanted me to pick her up. Hey? You little grumpy baby pants. We've got a few minutes left and then we can take the cake out the oven. It's the best part. This is Winnie's new favourite thing to do. She loves grabbing her feet. She loves it. They stink, these two. They absolutely reek of cheese. Especially that one. Stinky little fat feet. Look how fat those feet are. Jesus. Like the leg is so fat. You're just a little roly-boly ball of fat, aren't you? And she grabs the foot again. There's going to be a moment from hell in a minute because Winnie doesn't want to be put down and the alarm on the cakes is about to go off, so she's going to scream when I put her down. Aren't you? Okay, here we go. It's okay, Winnie. It's okay. It's okay. Right, let's try again. She's actually not crying, which is good. Yeah, that's dry. Way better. So before I can do the icing, I need to wait for the cakes to cool down. So I'm going to wait for that. And I thought in the meantime, I'd try and feed Winnie some more food. Because we've started her like on a few solids. Okay, it's coming. She's really hungry. What I do is once a day, I just give her as much as I can out of like a little pouch. It's coming. Look at her, because I don't want her to get it anywhere. Because I don't have a high chair yet. Or like a proper bib, which I should probably invest in. Right, let's try peas. What did we do yesterday? I think yesterday we did sweet potato, which she really liked. Right, here we go. Got your little spoon. Look at the colour of that. Oh, right, open up. Go on. Do you not like this one? It's nice. Let's try again. Eat it then. Hey, more. Come on. Yeah. I don't know if she likes it. Do you not like it? Here we go. Go on. Ah, she goes to eat it. How's that? Yeah. No. Try it again. Come on. I don't know how she feels about it. It's coming. Swallow what's in your mouth. Oh my god, it looks like poo. It literally looks like poo. Here you go. I don't think she likes peas. Come on. No, she don't like it. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh my god. She looks possessed. Eat it then. Oh my god, stay still with that. Oh. Eh. Oh, God. Okay, please excuse this on my top. Winnie literally spat peas all over me. But basically I have removed all the excess cake from the cakes. By that I mean I've just cut off all the brown burnt parts off the cake, and they're really moist and nice. So I'm going to wrap these up in cling film. There's 2 of them, one's already in the fridge, and then I'm going to leave them in the fridge for like half an hour to go cold. And the reason why I wrap them up in cling film is because obviously it's a really moist sponge, and I don't want the air of the fridge to dry the sponge out, because I want it to be really gooey and nice. So the cling film helps that basically stay nice and moist. So yeah, I'll give it half an hour and then we'll come back and make the icing. So I've mixed this beautiful pink icing, but I realised I don't have a piping bag. I must have thrown it away because it got old. I'm going to see if I can make one out of a plastic bag because I still have the heads to it. Anyway, I'm going to get the cakes out the fridge now. They are of beautiful consistency now. There's so many things I don't have, for God's sake. I need like a base to put the cake on. I don't have that. Oh, what am I going to use? Will this be alright? Yeah, I guess so. I'll use a plate. It's better than nothing. So I'm going to see which one's bigger. They're about the same. So I'm going to place this one on the base. Oh, that's so moist and lovely. And then I want like jam in the middle. So I'm going to place some icing on the outside and then jam in the middle. So it's got like a jam filling. Bakers are gonna scream at me. It's so hard to not have a piping tool. Like, look how messy this looks. Right, so you put the icing on the outside so that the jam doesn't spill over when we put the second layer on, but I think that's gonna happen anyway at this point. Okay, I'm just gonna have to go in with the second layer now because this is getting ridiculous. I'm so annoyed. Now, I'm going to go round the cake with some more pink icing. So I've done a really rough layer of icing. I'm going to put this in the freezer. And then when it's nice and frozen, I can then do a really neat layer of icing on top. And that should perfect it. Okay, so what's ended up happening... King, get away from Winnie. Go on, out, out. What ended up happening is... because I don't have my piping tool, my piping bag, I'm not able to do the decorations that I really wanted to do. When Winnie was one month old, I did a really cute little plain cake with like pink icing on it. And on this one, I really wanted to do like a smooth outline with like piping art on it. But I'm not able to do that. So maybe at her 6 months, I'll make another cake and I'll do a proper one. So this one, I've just kind of kept it kind of like that messy cake aesthetic. And I've just done pink icing all around it. Let me show you, hold on. So it basically looks like this. It's meant to look a bit messy, like I didn't want it to look neat. Let's try and cut a slice and see what it looks like. I was gonna wait for Will, but it's getting dark and I need to edit this video still and post it. So I'm just gonna cut a slice and try it, and then he can have a slice when he gets in. I'm just gonna do a small one. Look at that. I just have a feeling this is going to taste amazing. Wow, let me show you again. Hold on. I've outdone myself, darlings. It's got the jam in the middle. Oh, delish. Need a fork. Right, let's try this cake. I'm going to be honest as well. It's going to be an honest review. It's amazing. Wow, that's so nice. I think this might be the best sponge I've ever done. It's just really moist. Wow. This is so good. Don't quite know what this video was. I had a vision. Didn't quite turn out how I wanted it to. But I'm glad you followed me through the way. Winnie's having a good evening. She helped me bake the cake with her judgmental eyes. Every so often I'd look down and she was judging me, and it made me feel like I had to be better. That's probably why I liked how the cake turned out, because she was judging me and helped me through it. So yeah. I'm going to be posting another vlog on Sunday. It's going to be a bit more fun than this one, because we're going pumpkin picking and I'm going to carve a pumpkin to put Winnie in. So make sure you come back on Sunday to see that. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys. Woo.